In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok for YouTube script writing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a polished, engaging script using Grok's chat interface. First, open your browser and head to the Grok website. If you're prompted, sign in so your work saves in your account. You'll land on the main interface, which is designed around simple, conversational prompts. Start a new chat to keep this project clean and focused. A fresh chat helps Grok understand the single task you care about without mixing in older context. Next, give Grok a clear, specific prompt. Clarity is everything here. Tell it the topic, your audience, the tone, and the structure you expect. The more precise you are, the less editing you'll need later. Here's a great prompt you can paste and customize. Write a 10-minute YouTube script about topic. Make it engaging, conversational, and beginner-friendly. Include a hook for the first 15 seconds, an introduction, main points with examples, and a conclusion with a call to action. Replace topic with your subject, like basic video lighting, budget meal prep, or whatever you're covering today. If you have a brand voice, mention it. Friendly, expert, witty, or straightforward. Send your prompt. Grok will begin generating instantly. You'll see the script unfold in real time with sections that map to the format you requested. If it slows down, just wait until it finishes. Longer outputs can take a moment, especially if you ask for detailed examples. Resist the urge to interrupt. Letting it complete ensures the structure remains intact. Once it finishes, you'll have a complete draft on screen. Skim for flow. Does the hook grab attention in the first 15 seconds? Is the introduction clear? Do the main points include concrete examples your viewers can follow? Make a quick note of any areas you want to adjust. Now continue by adding follow-up prompts right in the same chat. Ask for refinements like tighten the hook, add a beginner-friendly analogy, or shorten this to 8 minutes while keeping the key examples. Grok understands iterative feedback so you can shape the script quickly. Here's a useful example. Type optimize for SEO. Grok can suggest a searchable video title, relevant tags, and a compelling description with natural keywords without making it sound robotic. You can also request timestamps or a brief on-screen outline to guide your edit. And that's it! With a clear prompt, a little patience, and iterative tweaks, Grok becomes your reliable co-writer for YouTube scripts. Happy creating!